Huge shout out to Monster Fairings for sending these out. They did not have to send these out for your boy, and they did. And I've done a lot of fairing kits on bikes with my buddies before, and this is by far the best fitting kit I've ever used. What up, FastLaneD gang? It's your boy FastLaneD, and I've been holding out on you guys, not gonna lie. Today we're installing the new fairings on my 2014 Yamaha R1, aka Storm. If you've been following me on Instagram, you guys have seen this color. That's gonna be put on the bike, but if you haven't, you're missing out. What are you doing? Go follow your boy. I'll throw up the Instagram tag. Now, a lot of you have been asking about this back window here. Yes, it's been replaced. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go back and watch that video.
Oh God.
But we're gonna go to Lowe's real quick because I need a few tools. And I do have some of these tools, but you can never have enough tools. Time you guys will ever see her in this color. Now, what really inspired this was this crack, and if you haven't seen the video of me explaining what exactly happened, go watch that video. But she was pristine until that moment, and then I was like, well, if we're gonna change the fairings, might as well just go ahead and do a full color change. So, man, look at this box that everything came in. This is nuts. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a sneak peek of the tail section right there. Man, this is gonna be nuts. All right, let's get to work.
A few moments later.
We got Papa Lock out here that came to freaking do the key on Storm. Because you guys saw my last video, or the garage update video, you know I lost the key. They did need this gas cap here, the stock one. Luckily, I still had it in the storage unit. But anyways, so we're gonna get the key replaced. We're gonna keep pulling her apart. The only thing I've gotten off right now is that front fender, and then a screw here and the seat, and then I realized I couldn't take the passenger seat off, so I don't have the key. So I was gonna do this first. So making a ton of progress. We're getting there, we're getting there. Dang, someone's out there getting it. I love it, but dang, I am gonna miss this mat, man. When I first bought this bike, I was not a huge fan until I saw it in person. I was originally looking for a red one, and then I stumbled upon this at a price that I cannot turn down at the time. All right, so we got the headlight fairing off. That's probably gonna be the trickiest part. I feel like once we get done with this front fairing, we'll be good to roll. Man, look how angry that looks. Even with no fairings on there, that thing still looks just pissed off. New, and we got the, oh man, that's so cool. That's gonna be the new eyes for Storm right there. I think that looks sick. Guys, here she is. What do y'all think? Do y'all like the Nardo? Do y'all think I should have stuck with the other color? Honestly, we started designing these fairings, what, back in January, February? I threw up that poll and I had purple on there because I wanted to keep the gold theme that the bike already had. So I either wanted to go with purple gold, a teal and gold, or a Nardo and gold, and everyone voted for the Nardo. I was surprised. I was really leaning towards the purple, but I ended up going with the Nardo in the end because I just felt like that fit the theme of Storm. Like, if I had a purple bike, I wouldn't really be able to call it Storm. So this is kind of Storm 2.0. I did have these on in gold, but I didn't like how it looked. I felt like it was too much gold up front there. So I went and took that off, put the stock ones back on. And I am gonna get a black tank for it. I have this piece in Nardo gray. I might look for it in carbon, but I'm definitely gonna go black tank so that we completely get rid of Storm's old color. And then we're gonna either put on the Nardo gray or we might wrap it something cool. What do you guys think I should get this tank painted Nardo gray to match? I kind of like the black idea, just to kind of give it a little bit of an offset of a color. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. I do feel like she's missing something, to be completely honest with you guys. I feel like she's missing that FastLaneD or that Storm flair. Shout out to my boy Downey. It's coincidence I'm wearing this shirt, but we're actually working on some wrap designs that we want to throw on this bike that I think's really gonna set it off. My goal of this is to build a bike that as soon as you see it, you know it's my bike. Like, you know this is FastLaneD's Storm Yamaha Toce R1. I've had this bike for what, 3.5 years now? So it's been a little while. So the matte gray looked good, but it was just time for a change. Like 3.5 years is a long time to have the same color in there, and I don't know, I just want something different. Like I see matte gray R1s all the time. I've only seen one other Nardo gray R1, and I actually saw it after I ordered these. Otherwise, I might have done something a little bit different, but we got something for y'all, don't you worry. Also, we did already have our first casualty. This thing keeps going up and rubbing against the fairing, so you might be able to see it in there, you might not, but you can already see this exhaust has already melted the fairing. Love the sound of the Toce, love the look of the Toce. Fitment is absolutely. I guess I tightened it down too much to where it's rubbing on here, so I'm gonna have to loosen that up so it stops. Huge shout out to Monster Fairings for sending these out. They did not have to send these out for your boy, and they did. And I've done a lot of fairing kits on bikes with my buddies before, and this is by far the best fitting kit I've ever used. Now, you may save like 100, 200 bucks going with one of the cheaper kits, but the headache of drilling holes and stuff not lining up properly is just not, it is not worth it in my opinion. So if you're looking for some aftermarket fairings for your bike, something that's really gonna change the look, 100%, you gotta throw some Monster Fairings on this bad boy. Man, hiding this from you guys for the last week and a half has been so tough, not posting any pictures, stories, nothing. So I'm so glad to be able to just reveal this to you guys. If y'all think that we're done with Storm, y'all have no idea. We're still just getting started. It's the only beginning with these fairings. I'm so pumped to show you guys everything else. I have so many parts I still need to install. So make sure if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Join the FastLane gang. And seeing this bike finally start to come together is just, it's cool. It's been a long 3.5 years. Me and this freaking bike have been through a lot, but she's finally starting to come together for what I envisioned her when I bought her. Guys, if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the FastLane gang. Y'all do not want to miss what I've got coming for this thing. That's all I got for y'all. FastLaneD, Storm, we out, baby. Peace.